Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Beautifully Yay, and thank you for tuning in today. So today I have a different video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this. These are called the Maverick locks, I believe. This is how it looks. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I went ahead and did was I parted my hair into 4 just to make it more manageable, and then I braided it overnight because I did a dip conditioning method the night before. So the next step is just to take out the braid that I had with the first section that I was working with, and I went ahead and did that. Then I combed my hair through thoroughly, as well as put leave-in conditioner and really moisturize my hair so it wasn't dry. So here I'm just showing you the hair that I use. It's called the Maverick locks in 24 inches. Each pack was about $7 and I bought 7 of it. So I'm gonna list the link below so you guys can check it out. The next thing I did was I grabbed my rat tail comb and I parted my hair the way I wanted it to be. I really wanted more of a box look, like the box braids. So I went ahead and just parted my hair like that. Next thing I did was I added white shea butter to the part that I just made, just to keep it a little bit more defined. I did want to use Eco Styling Gel, but it's really a personal preference. I just feel like it ends up leaving residue on my hair, and I don't like that effect at all. So I just use shea butter because it gets the job done, and then I use edge control to kind of smoothen it out at the end. After that, I just went ahead and started braiding my hair. And again, this is really a personal preference because you could just do it like really crochet style and do cornrows and then use your crochet needle. But as I said, I just wanted it to look like braids. I really wanted the box braids effect. So I braided all of my hair in singles first and then I crocheted it. And braided the rest of that section, as you can see here, and I already crocheted like 2 of them, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like done, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually crochet it now. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of the Maverick locks and make sure it's already pre-looped. It comes pre-looped, so it just makes life so much easier. And then make sure your crochet needle latch is open as well. Next, you want to insert the latch into one of the braided hair, and then attach the Maverick lock to the latch, close the latch, and then pull it through. And then afterwards, all you have to do is just like loop it around. So you'll see me like looping the hair around right here, and that's all you have to do, and then pull it back through again, as I said. And make sure when you're pulling it through, make sure the hair strand is coming through with the Maverick locks, so it's easier to loop it around. Because what you have to do next is you have to wrap the hair around the pattern, like the curl. So if it's curling to the right, you have to wrap your hair in going to the right, if that makes any sense. I'll show you guys this, like it's just very confusing and trying to explain and walk you guys through it, but I'll do my best. I will do my best. So as you can see, I already latched the hair on with the crochet needle. Next, this is what I mean when I say like you have to wrap the hair in the way the curl is going. So this curl, I believe, was actually going to the left, so I was wrapping it like to the left so it stays with the hair. And then what you have to do is the end of the hair strand of the braided hair, you have to like insert it back into the hair itself. Like, it's so weird, but I'm gonna like zoom it in for you guys so you guys can see it a lot better. And then I just try to like twist the hair myself just to make sure like it's really latched on. So I just went ahead and braided the rest of my hair. As I said, I braided all of it in singles because I wanted the really clean look. So I went ahead and did that off camera. Now I'm just going to be speeding through the rest of it, so sit back and enjoy the time lapse. That's how I was able to achieve this look. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you guys end up trying this style yourself. Tag me on my Instagram at beautifullyay, and I want to see what you guys do with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one.